Hello, the alarm from 2620 is active. Today we will see how to create threads using implementation of Runnable interface and extending the thread class.
Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like my videos, please like, share and comment.
So let's create first our Runnable thread. Now we have got the class and we can implement Runnable. So when we implement the Runnable, we will get the error that we have to implement the abstract method. So here we have got our void method. So here we will do, let's say, thread, runnable thread, and let's have a constructor of runnable thread. So we will say runnable thread is equals to new thread, and let's make its name runnable thread. Okay, so here we will say, we will print the thread by implementing runnable. So we will add here RT. Okay, now we have got this one. So in the run method we will try to identify the running of those threads in our main class by implementing specific code. Let's say try catch for int I is equals to 0 less than 5, and let's say thread. So we know that this statement is from the thread by implementing runnable. So thread sleep half a second. Okay, so here we will say runnable thread interrupted, and let's add e. Okay, now once the run method is completed, the thread will exit. So here we will say exiting the thread. Now this is our thread. Now let's create another class and print extending thread. Okay, let's finish it. Here we will have extends thread. Okay, and here we will override the run method. Okay, here we will have our constructor thread here, and then we will say super, it's implementing the thread constructor. Let's say extending thread, the name to be this one, and here we will print this thread. Okay, thread by extending, and then we will say this. Okay, here we will bring this one to be fast and put it here. Okay, exiting the extending thread, and we'll make it extending thread interrupted, and here we will make it extending. So now we are done. Here we will go to the main exercise, and we will have this try catch as it is in the previous classes, and then we will exit when the main is completed. The main thread will be exited. So let's declare the variables, and then we will run them. Start, this will run the thread, and then it start, as it is a thread by itself. Now we will see the threads running itself by itself, threads each one running and executing statements. Okay, So as you can see, we have got the constructor of runnable thread executing the printout statement, and then the extending thread, and then we'll have extending thread printing the first I, the main thread, the runnable thread, and then extending thread, runnable thread, main thread. Likewise, these items will be printed, and finally the third and fourth I will be printed in the main thread, and the main thread will exit. The runnable and extending threads exit earlier because we make them sleep 500 seconds. So, and the main method we make it sleep 1 second, and the runnable and extending second have threads half a second. So they end earlier than the main thread. So that's how the threads will run parallelly, executing in one program. So this is one program, example program. So the 3 threads executed turn by turn depending on their cycles. Okay, as you can see, all of them have got the same priority. They execute turn by turn depending on the cycles they get in the CPU time. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video.